it does not just sound, even though it's a cat. That's where there is the refrigerator motors. I think we should get for their fun.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Well, that was it for response, but I just said it about. Who are you, Mr. Phone Trick?
Sticky Boogie Duke.
Well, that sucks.
Well,
But that's a solution if you are here.
actually, I don't need.
Nothing about this compressor, but that motor was a pump. I'm just complaining that motors are in this one. Good. New vehicle sets. That was a nice motor.
Well, we here for our help.
Nothing but a refrigerator, I think. Are you going to? How pathetic.
Me too.
Now that was really, really good.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.
Well, that was weird. I thought it can be controlled by a thermostat. What I said for... Uh-oh, I have a stroke. Oh no, I'm going to explode. Oh no, I've been dying at once now. Wait, what's happening to me? Man, one last time, then I'll just have to be dead.
Well, I'm just here to help you. I just used the plunger so you can compress it as well.
Oh, seriously, go away.
Alright, fine.
Oh crap, here it goes nothing! How pathetic. We might find something in the refrigerator soon.